Alrighty guys, so as you can see from the random parts we have stored right here, we went to the junkyard this morning to fix up my dad's Expedition. You can see it's pretty messed up, and I did end up fixing some other stuff, but he is working right now on that. He took off the hood and that front bumper. So pretty much I'm just gonna record just me taking this out. I'll show you guys how to do that. Okay, before I cut to the time lapse. Okay, so for a Ford Expedition 2003 Eddie Bauer edition, there's 2 screws right here and this. So we're gonna just time lapse with me taking it out and then putting that back in for a new one. Alrighty guys, so as you guys saw, I did take this off and kept the original thing on, mainly because for some reason this was not fitting. So I said, you know, maybe I can just keep the original OEM or whatever connectors and just switch out the actual just headlight part, the casing. And that's what I did. Hopefully it works. It should. There's really nothing bad that happened, and we should be good to go. And that's pretty much it. The only change I did do, I'm just gonna put it in there and see if it lights up. But look at the difference. Just look how much more nicer that looks compared to this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me just screw it back down and we should be good. And presto, we got a clean new headlight that looks amazing compared to the old one. Let's grab the old one again. Just look at that compared to it. Geez, doesn't that just look nice? Look at that, like that, and then boom, just looks 10 times better. Presto. And this is gonna be a short video, so I hope you guys enjoyed and learned how to do it for a Ford Expedition 2003 Eddie Bauer edition. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next episode of Project Talon. We're currently looking for the headlight piece. Don't worry, it'll be done, I promise.